Hello everyone, welcome to Cantonese Mom. 大家好，歡迎你哋收睇廣東話媽媽。Ying, what is this?
Oval.
Oval, yes. What is this? Square. All right. What is this? Star, yes. What is this? Circle, right. What is this? Pentagon, right. What is this? Pentagon, all right. What is this? Oval, yes. What is this? Triangle, all right. What is this? No, this one, the purple one. Rectangle. Yeah. What is this? Heart. Yeah. What about this? Triangle. What about this? Heart. Yes. What about this? Circle. Right. What about this? Star. Yeah. What about this? Square. Right. What about this? This one. Rectangle. Yeah. What about this one? Oval. Yes. What about this? Circle. Right. What about this? Square. Yeah. What about this one? Rectangle. Yeah. What about this? Triangle. Yeah. What about this? Pentagon. Right. What about this? Heart. Yeah. What about the last one? Star. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Thank you for watching. 多謝收睇。If you like this video, please like and subscribe. 如果你哋都鍾意呢一條短片，請撳喜歡同埋訂閱。